Today we are going to do a mindfulness meditation. One of the best things that we can do is to get back to the basics. And so often when we're trying to do something new, we try to go all the way, or at least that's a common thing that I have issues with. But often what we need is actually really, really basic. So the idea is that meditation is something that not only helps us respond to life's stressors, but to all of the unknowns. You wake up in the morning, you think you have an idea of how the day is going to go or what's going to happen, and the truth is that you really don't know. And so often we get bombarded with difficult moments or situations that we don't know if we have the capacity to deal with. But the truth is that we are amazingly resilient humans, and meditation helps us keep perspective so that during those stressful times, we can do